another Nerf gun video. So we're gonna see how far it shoots. And look! It has a lot of bullets.
Well, it's dark for you guys, but
so we're just gonna shoot the bullets. Okay.
Alright, guys, we're gonna go.
I didn't just shoot all of them.
We're gonna go see where the right.
Okay. We're gonna go see where they are. So Jackson's shooting the rest.
Jackson, quit!
No, he didn't shoot them.
Look, guys, one was right there, one right there.
So we're just gonna get the bullets over here.
One was right here. Two right there.
So
One right there. One right there. One right there. And a couple over there.
I think
And
this one went the
right
farthest.
there. Right here. And right here. Right here. Right here. Right here. Right here.